I'm talking to you today about a ferrule connector. Then it is mainly used on the PA brake pipe. And this word is its installation. Here are its accessories. So the first thing we do is we put on this hex head, then just screw this core on. 4T. The pipeline can be divided into 3 sections. If he screws this on, then the pipe can be fixed. It's the same story and install the third route, which is T and then tapered. The same reason is also installed like this. Then it can be threaded here. You can connect the brake pump or other places where the thread is connected, then screw it on to fix it. This is the use of a catapult connector. This is a quick plug connector, then it's also used on nylon. It has a core inside and it can withstand high pressure. It's better than our plug it in and then it can be fixed. And if there are 3 links, you can also go to Unicom in 3 ways. And this one has a thread. The same is true for installation. Plug it in and it can be fixed. When you split it, you press it down, then pull it out again.